Ever wonder how skyscrapers, cars, or even airplanes get their sturdy and precise metal parts? Behind it all are rolling mills, the unsung heroes of modern manufacturing. Let's dive into their fascinating world. Rolling mills form the foundation of modern manufacturing, turning the raw materials into the beams, rods, and sheet that power industries worldwide. From construction to aerospace, these machines shape the material that build our future. Today, we will uncover how rolling mills work, their wide-ranging applications, and the groundbreaking innovations shaping their future. Rolling mills are machines that shape and compress metal through a process called rolling. They produce everything from steel sheets and rods to plates used in critical industries. Whether it's hot rolling for strength or cold rolling for precision, rolling mills generate uniformity and quality in metal production. Different rolling mills serve unique purposes. 2 high mills, ideal for the initial shaping of metals. 3 high mills, efficient for continuous rolling. 4 high mills, perfect for creating thin sheets with precision. Cluster mills, designed for rolling hard metals like titanium and stainless steel. Each mill is tailored to the material and end product, ensuring unmatched versatility for diverse industries. Rolling mills are vital for automotive, creating high-strength steel for safer and more durable vehicles. Construction, producing structural beams and reinforcement bars for buildings and infrastructure. Aerospace, manufacturing lightweight, precision-engineered parts for planes and spacecraft. These machines are the backbone of industrial progress, making reliable and high-quality materials for every sector. Rolling mills are designed to meet specific industries' needs. TMT rolling mills for high-strength reinforcement bars used in construction. Wire rod and section mills for industrial and structural application. Heavy rolling mills built for large-scale infrastructure projects. By customizing solutions for each industry, rolling mills ensure efficiency, reliability, and precision in every product. One leader in rolling mills innovation is MK Engineering Solution, a company with over 15 years of expertise. Their products range includes rolling mill stands, cooling beds, gearboxes, and twin channels. Founded by E.R. Mandeep Singh, MK Engineering Solution is committed to delivering top-tier quality and customer satisfaction across industries like steel, cement, and sugar. From concept of commissioning, they ensure every project is handled with precision. Discover their full range of products and services at www.mkrollingmachinery.com. Modern rolling mills combine cutting-edge technology with sustainability. Energy efficiency, reducing power consumption while maximizing output. Recycling, turning scrap metal into valuable resources. Automation, enhancing consistency and minimizing human error. These advancements make rolling mills more productive and eco-friendly, aligning with global sustainability goals. The Strombel community connects manufacturers with verified trade professionals worldwide. It's a hub for building relationships, expanding networks, and unlocking new markets. Join the Strombel community today and explore new opportunities in industries like steel and construction. Learn more at www.strombel.com. Rolling mills shape the world around us, quite literally, thanks to cutting-edge solutions from MK Engineering Solution and the global reach of the Strombel community. The future of metal manufacturing looks brighter than ever. Are you ready to take the next step? Explore MK Engineering Solutions advanced product at www.mkrollingmachinery.com and join the Strombel community at www.strombel.com today. Thank you for watching.